Hey everyone, I am Pranab Kishore Praharaj from Pranab Digital Gurukul. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're discussing a very exciting and important topic, artificial intelligence or AI in healthcare. AI is changing many fields, but healthcare is one area where it can make a huge difference, from helping doctors diagnose diseases to creating new treatment methods. Stick around to find out how AI could shape the future of health and medicine. Let's start by asking what artificial intelligence means for healthcare. In simple terms, AI in healthcare involves using advanced computer systems to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks could include diagnosing diseases, analyzing data, or predicting health risks. By training computers with large amounts of data, we teach them to make decisions and assist healthcare professionals. Now, you might be wondering, why is AI so valuable in healthcare? Here are some of the main benefits. Faster diagnosis. AI can quickly analyze data like medical images, test results, and patient histories to help doctors diagnose diseases faster. This speed can be life-saving in emergency cases or when early diagnosis is critical. Personalized treatment. AI helps create treatment plans tailored to individual patients. By analyzing a patient's health data, it can suggest treatments based on their specific needs, increasing the chances of a better outcome. Reduced errors. Doctors and nurses are only human, and mistakes can happen, especially in a busy hospital setting. AI can support healthcare workers by double-checking data and catching errors before they affect the patient. Improved patient monitoring. For patients who need constant monitoring, AI can track their health in real time. For instance, wearable devices can alert doctors if a patient's heart rate or blood pressure goes out of safe levels, even if they're not in the hospital. One of the biggest breakthroughs with AI in healthcare is in disease diagnosis. Let's talk about a few ways AI is already helping. Medical imaging. AI is excellent at analyzing medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. For example, if a radiologist is looking at an X-ray to find signs of a disease, AI can assist by highlighting potential problem areas. This means doctors can catch diseases like cancer earlier and start treatment sooner. Pathology. In pathology, where doctors study tissues and cells, AI can help by examining slides for patterns that indicate diseases. This is especially helpful in fields where even small details are critical. Eye diseases. AI is also being used to diagnose eye diseases. By analyzing images of the retina, AI systems can detect early signs of diseases like diabetic retinopathy, which can lead to blindness if untreated. Developing new medicines is a long and expensive process. But with AI, drug discovery is becoming faster and more efficient. Predicting drug effectiveness, AI can analyze the structure of thousands of molecules to predict which ones might work as medicines. By identifying promising compounds early, scientists save time and money that would otherwise go into testing ineffective drugs. Faster clinical trials. Clinical trials are the stages where new drugs are tested on patients. AI can analyze data from these trials to help researchers see which patients are benefiting most. It can also help recruit the right participants, making the process faster. Imagine medicine designed specifically for you. That's personalized medicine. And AI is making this possible. Analyzing DNA. By looking at a patient's DNA, AI can predict how they might respond to certain treatments. This is especially helpful in fields like cancer, where treatment responses can vary widely. Targeted treatment plans. With personalized medicine, AI helps doctors select the best treatment for each patient. For instance, in cancer care, AI can analyze tumor data to create a treatment plan specifically tailored to each patient's cancer type. Remote monitoring means checking a patient's health even if they're not in a hospital. With AI and wearable devices, this is becoming easier. Wearable health devices. Devices like smartwatches can track things like heart rate, sleep patterns, and physical activity. AI analyzes this data and alerts doctors to any unusual changes that might indicate a health issue. Home health monitoring for chronic conditions. For patients with chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease, AI-powered devices can provide continuous monitoring. This means they don't have to go to the hospital as often, and doctors can still keep an eye on their health. Telemedicine support. AI is also used in telemedicine, which allows patients to consult with doctors remotely. AI can help doctors review patient data before the appointment, so they're ready to offer the best advice. While AI has a lot of potential, there are also some challenges and ethical concerns. Let's discuss a few. Privacy and data security. AI systems need a lot of data, and patient privacy is a big concern. Protecting patient data is essential so that it isn't misused or accessed by unauthorized people. Bias in AI models. AI models can sometimes have biases if they're trained on data that's not diverse. This can lead to unfair treatment or incorrect diagnoses for certain groups. Developers are working hard to make sure AI systems are fair and accurate for everyone. Job displacement concerns. Some people worry that AI could replace healthcare jobs. But most experts believe AI will be a helpful tool for healthcare workers rather than replacing them. It's more about supporting doctors and nurses in making the best decisions. Reliability. We still need to make sure AI is always accurate, especially in critical situations. AI is a powerful tool, but we also need human oversight to catch mistakes. What does the future hold for AI in healthcare? Here are some exciting possibilities. Robot surgeons. AI-powered robots could help with surgeries, offering precision that's beyond human capabilities. Some hospitals are already using robots to assist surgeons, and the results are promising. AI in mental health. AI could be used in mental health care, helping to identify signs of conditions like depression or anxiety from conversations or behavioral patterns. This could help patients get support earlier. AI for predicting outbreaks. AI could help predict disease outbreaks by analyzing health data from around the world. This would allow health organizations to prepare in advance and potentially stop the spread of diseases. To wrap it up, artificial intelligence is bringing many benefits to healthcare. From faster diagnoses to personalized medicine, AI has the potential to make healthcare more efficient, accurate, and accessible. However, we also need to be mindful of the challenges and work to ensure that AI is used responsibly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more on AI and technology. Let us know in the comments, what excites you most about AI in healthcare? Do not forget to visit our website, www.pranabkishore.com. Register yourself for courses.